Hello, Candace. How's it going? This is Sisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. I spoke with TJ. As promised, I will go ahead and send over this website audit. So I'm just going to go and jump right to it, just showing you some things as far as what you can do to continue beating out your competition in several given areas and just generate more revenue for the company. So I'm going to jump right to it. So right away, Candace, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for content. Do you have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? The reason why you want a keyword is because a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So right away, great design, by the way. I really like the design overall. Great picture. And once again, like, the reason why you want keywords within your website is because you want to tell Google exactly what keywords or what terms you want to be found for. So this is good, right? Air conditioning in Pompano Beach. So this is what I'm looking for. So great job on that. Now, one of the cities that I'm going to focus on is, I would say, Miami, just because it's really well known across the nation. So before I jump into that keyword, though, I'm going to jump over here. This is called Ahrefs. This is a tool that helps you understand your performance, the performance of any given website. So we're just going to do an audit on your website, okay? prideac.com. So let's jump over to this section. So this section here tells me two things. One, your strength, how strong your website is performing, and the authority that it has. Second thing is your trust flow, how trustworthy your website is. Overall, great numbers. A little bit more work to do. You're probably wondering, well, what should there be a number that I need to be shooting for? I would say anywhere between anything above 30, but making sure that these are very close to each other. Let's consider the golden ratio. Now, some of the things that contribute to the score is your backlinks. You currently have close to 2,000 backlinks with only 318 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. Now, these links, they act like an endorsement for your website, and it builds trust with Google. However, not all backlinks are created equal, though. Okay, so it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. If you were to get, for example, a backlink from, let's say, Pizza Hut, you're not in the food industry, it can actually hinder your overall scores. The last thing I want to go over here, or over this, Candace, is your organic keywords. Remember, what I'm looking for is anywhere in Miami, and I'm looking for buyer intent keywords. Okay, and the reason why is because when you focus on those specific keywords, you're going to be focusing on specific clients that are needing specific services. For example, you see how I typed in Miami? Let's take a look at this, for example. Miami Air Conditioning. Okay, the reason why this is really good, or even AC installation Miami, because once again, people that are searching for AC installation Miami, one, they know what they need, and then two, it's within the city that they live in. So you're going to guarantee when people are searching for this and you appear on the Google pages, you're going to get a call from someone from Miami. Okay, same thing with this one, AC repair, Miami air conditioners, and so forth. Now, diving a little bit deeper, this is the volume, meaning that this is the amount of people that are searching on Google every single month for this particular keyword. Okay, so now let's see how well your competitors are doing. So I pulled up, and I'm going to use the keyword air conditioning in Miami. So Kendale Air Conditioning. Look, AC repair Miami. This is a keyword that they're trying to rank for. AC repair service. There's no city, so they might get optimized. Depends on Google. But let's just go over to Ahrefs and see how well their website's performing. Now, look at their strength at 23, less than yours, and 3.2 for their trust. They have over 1,000 with 159. So less backlinks. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what keywords are they being indexed for? So let's just take air conditioning in Miami, because 250 people are searching for this every single month. I didn't see you being optimized for that particular keyword, which I would, right here, air conditioning in Miami. Yep, you are being indexed for it. Now, here's the difference, though. Look at your position. Okay, your position is 23, and their position is number 2. So that makes a big difference. Yes, their probably strength and their trust are not as strong, but they're being indexed higher because of what they're doing on the back end to be able to rank for that keyword. Now, let's just take air conditioning Miami and tap it into Google and see what pops up. Okay, we'll take it section by section. The reason why is because about approximately 250 people are searching for that every single month. So here, this is the Google guarantee or the Google ads. And this is folks that are paying to be on that section. So anytime you call, they just get charged the cost per click is what it's called. But nonetheless, they're getting a call. So they're getting a call from a potential client that needs help. Second section, which is my favorite, is the Google My Business page. The reason why it's my favorite is because 30 to 40% of calls come from the GMB section or the Google My Business page. And the last thing I want to go over is the organic listings, okay, where Google organically lists companies based on their performance on their website. So we see Kendale Air Conditioning, Yelp, which is a citation site, Flowtech Air Conditioning, Angie's List, and 1 Hour, and so forth, right? So people are most likely won't get past the second page. They'll normally call these specific businesses first before they start calling others. Anyhow, this is just some tips and tricks that I want to share with you. Some of the things that you can do so you can appear for this keyword, because a lot of folks search for that every single month, which is going to increase your digital presence, which is going to help you outbeat your competition and get more clients. Anyway, Candace, thank you so much for watching this video. Please feel free to email me back. I would love your feedback. I would love to answer any of your questions. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Have a good one. We'll talk soon.